Am I a certified mukbanger already? I didn't realize that my order doubled. I bought this live. Because I didn't know na nag-double siya. Double. But we have here the pistachio. I tried this already. This is actually so good. And then I want to try this one. The rainbow. And of course we have cookies and cream. I love cookies and cream so much. I thought na kaya kung hindi kumain ng sweets tonight, I'm trying. Pagka-girl daw talaga malakas sa sweets. Well, I've always been a sweet tooth. Besides these, I also have secret glaze. Ito, cookies and cream, and then this is the white sauce. By the way, I bought this talaga ha, kaya ipa-ROI nyo ako. As if, I wanna try the cookies and cream first. Am I a certified mukbanger already? Thank you po. Gusto mo, Yay? Kasama to. Ako na po. Ooh. ASMR. Paano ba? Okay. Ay, tsaka. Sad. Can I use this? Ang cute ng spoon. Ano? If you love Oreo, you're gonna love this. Nagyan natin ng ano. This one! I'm so excited. This is actually so good. I know na ma-addict ako. It's not a good thing. Ooh. Damn. Yes. Actually, no, I won't mix it. Oh my gosh, this is so addicting. Put it here. Ayoko kasi like mag-mix yung laway ko kasi papakainin ko pa to kay Jacob. Let's try it with milk. Try it with milk. Siguro kasi hindi masyadong cold yung milk, kaya it's not that desirable. Desirable! It's ano lang. It's so lang. Let's try this one naman. I feel like I will like this one. I'm so sure na ma-addict ko. Pero ang sarap nito ha. Ay, this is so good. I'm a fan of white chocolate, so. Ay, parang